Seamlessly merge your Webflow creativity with Dynadot's robust hosting to bring your website to life. First, log into your Webflow account and navigate to your project's dashboard. Click on the Settings tab, and then select Hosting from the left-hand menu. This is where we'll find the crucial connection information. Under the Custom Domain section, you'll see an option to add custom domain. Click this to proceed. Webflow will then ask you for your domain name. Enter the domain you've purchased from Dynadot and click Add. Webflow will now provide you with a set of DNS records. These are the instructions that tell the internet where to find your website. You'll typically see a CNAME record pointing to a Webflow subdomain and one or more records with specific IP addresses. Keep this window open, as you'll need these details. Next, open a new tab and log into your Dynadot account. Once logged in, find the My Domain section and select the domain you want to connect to your Webflow site. Within your Domains Management panel, locate the DNS Records or Advanced DNS section. This is where we'll input the information Webflow gave us. We need to add the DNS records provided by Webflow for the CNAME record. You'll enter the host value exactly as shown in Webflow. And for type, select CNAME. Then, in the value or points to field, paste the Webflow subdomain. Make sure there are no extra spaces. Now for the records, the host will typically be @ or left blank. The type will be A in the value or points to field. Paste the IP address provided by Webflow. You may have more than one A record to add, so repeat this process for each one. After entering all the necessary records, be sure to click the Save or Update button to apply your changes in Dynadot. Back in your Webflow dashboard, allow a few minutes for the DNS changes to propagate across the internet. Webflow will automatically check the status, and once everything is correctly configured, your custom domain will show as active, meaning your Webflow site is now successfully hosted on Dynadot.